Good afternoon, my dear students. Let me explain the chapter trigonometry, that is compound angles. Already I have told, let me explain again. Sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. The result will be 2 sine A cos B. Okay, the first one you have to memorize. That means 2 sine A cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Then same process, sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. The formula is 2 cos A into sine B. Number 3, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The formula is 2 cos A cos B. Number 4, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. If it is minus, the formula is minus 2 sin A sin B. This is the main formula. You can interchange, the minus sign will vanish here. That means you can write like this: cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, cos A plus B, that will give you 2 sin A into sin B. These two formulas same. Here minus sign to make it adjust, I have reversed it. These 4 formula you can apply for this coming exercise. Okay, and from this the advanced formula will be, I am writing one by one. That is number 5, cos C plus cos D. The formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Number 6, cos C minus cos D, same as before. It will be minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. These two are cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. Same process. Number 7, sin C plus sin D, which is equivalent to that first formula, number 1. Okay, it should be 2 sin C plus D by 2 into 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The first one is plus, then cos. Number 8, sin C minus sin D. The formula is 2 cos, पहले cos आएगा, cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. These two belong to sin. Okay, using this 8 formula, you have to complete the sums. Okay, just focus question number 1. Question number 1, it is given, convert the following product into sum or difference. The first part, it is given 2 sin alpha, 2 sin 5 alpha, 2 sin 5 alpha into cos 3 alpha into cos 3 alpha. So this will take, this is 2 sin A cos B. Just to see here, 2 sin A cos B. Formula is what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. The same process you tell. 2 sin A cos B means that will be sin A plus B means 5 alpha plus 3 alpha, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 5 alpha minus 3 alpha. This is nothing but sin 8 alpha, and this one is sin 5 alpha minus 2, that is sin 2 alpha. This is the answer. Okay, question number 1, first part completed. Here given 2 sin alpha 5 alpha into cos 3, you have to write in terms sum or difference, means here sum. This is given product, you are writing sum of sin 8 alpha plus sin 12 will give you this one, to sin 5 alpha into cos 3 alpha. Let us go next number. See, the second part question given 2 cos 5 alpha into sin 3 alpha into sin 3 alpha. That means 2 cos A sin B formula. That is nothing but, just to see here, 2 cos A sin B, the formula is what? 2 cos A sin B means sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Just you apply here. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that is 5 alpha minus 3 alpha. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B will give you 2 cos A into sin B. What is that? Sin, this is 8 alpha minus sin 5 alpha minus 3 alpha, that is 2 alpha. This is the answer. Okay, let us go third part. Third part question given cos 9 alpha into cos 4 alpha. Do one thing here, write half and write here 2 cos 9 alpha into cos 4 alpha. Means you have to apply the formula here, 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B formula is cos A plus B. Just to see, 2 cos A into cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The same process, cos A plus B, that is 9 alpha plus 4 alpha, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, that is 9 alpha minus 4 alpha. Okay, that means half cos A plus B, that is cos 9 alpha plus 4 alpha, that is 13 alpha plus cos 9 alpha minus 4 alpha, that is cos 5 alpha. This is the answer of third part. Let us go the fourth part. Chapter is compound angle. 3 sin 13 alpha into sin 3 alpha. Do one thing here, take 3 common, write here 3 by 2 and write 2 sin 3 alpha into sin 13 alpha into sin 3 alpha. That means formula is here 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B formula is what? Just to see, 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B formula is what? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This formula. Okay, 2 cos sin A into sin B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. The same process, cos A minus B. A means here 13 alpha minus 3 alpha. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That is 13 alpha plus 3 alpha. How much you are getting? 3 by 2 cos 13 alpha minus 3 alpha, that is 10 alpha, minus this is cos 13 alpha plus 3, that is 16 alpha. Okay, and this is the answer. Just see one time, 3 sin 13 alpha into sin 3 alpha given, 3 have taken common, 2 multiplied, 2 divided. Why am I writing this? Because 2 sin A sin B formula is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So finally getting 3 by 2 cos 10 alpha minus cos 16 alpha. Let us go next number. Just see. Question number 2. Express each of the following as a product. First question given cos 5 alpha plus cos 3 alpha. Which formula I apply here? As a product, just to see here. Very carefully see here. Cos C plus cos D. The formula is what? As a product, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, C is always greater than D. This is the product. Okay, giving cos C plus cos D, after writing product formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. There are 4 formulas written. Using these 4 formulas, you have to solve one by one. Just see. That means here you have to apply cos c plus cos d. Formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus means 5 alpha plus 3 alpha. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus means 5 alpha minus 3 alpha by 2. This is written in product form. As a product, your question is as a product. Explain it is following as a product. How much getting? 2 cos 8 alpha by 2 means 4 alpha. Here 5 alpha minus 3 alpha coming 2 alpha. 2 alpha by 2 means only cos alpha. This is the answer. Question given in addition form, you are writing product form. Okay, I think it is clear. Second part question given sin 7 alpha sin 7 alpha plus sin 4 alpha. Okay, that means here you have to apply sin c plus sin d. The formula is, see here, sin c plus sin d formula is what? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, that means 2 sin c plus d, that means 7 alpha plus 4 alpha by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 7 alpha minus 4 alpha by 2. How much you getting? 7 plus 4, 11, that means 2 sin 11 alpha by 2, and here cos 7 alpha minus 4 alpha 3 alpha by 2. This is the answer of number 2, second part. Let us go third part. Third part question given sin 9 alpha minus sin 2 alpha. That means here you have to apply sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d formula is what? 2 cos c plus d by 2, first cos then sin c minus d by 2. So using this formula, this will be 2 cos c plus d, 9 alpha plus 2 alpha by 2, then sin c minus that 9 alpha minus 2 alpha by 2. How much you getting? 2 cos 9 plus 2, 11, that means 2 cos 11 alpha by 2 into sin 9 minus 2, that is 7 alpha by 2. This is the answer. Okay, third part completed, and the last part, that is the fourth part of this compound chapter. Question given cos 5 alpha minus cos 11 alpha. That means this is actually given 11 alpha is greater than 5 alpha, that is cos d minus cos c formula given. And cos d minus cos c formula, just if you reverse it, it will minus sign it vanish. That means 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. If you like this one first, the same process, this will be 2 sin c means here 11 alpha plus 5 alpha by 2, c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 11 alpha minus 5 alpha by 2. How much getting here? 2 sin 11 plus 5, 16 alpha by 2 means 8 alpha into sin 11 minus 5, that is 6 alpha by 2 means 3 alpha. Sin 8 alpha into sin 3 alpha. This is the answer. Okay, in this way, number 2 4 part completed, number 1 also 4 part completed. I think it is clear for you. Okay, thank you for today's class. Next day we will do more sums.